What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is a day in the life of an entrepreneur. I'm gonna take you guys with me to work, show you what I do on a daily basis, and let's have some fun. But first, bro, Starbucks is so good. We got plans for development. This is kind of hard, like doing all this. So now, we got the coffee, we got the plans. Off to a project that I'm developing right now. We're gonna go see how the work's progressing, go meet with some people. See you there. As you guys can see, post some clips from a job site I was just at. Development's going good. And now it's off back to the office. We're gonna go back to the office, answer some emails, just kind of get caught up on the office stuff. Let's do it. Oh, hold on, one more thing.
So here's the deal. Joe Biden will not raise your taxes.
So good. What are you doing? Okay, Pa? Pa. What's up, bro? What's up, guys? So we're back in the home office. Everything's running smoothly. Meeting's done. 10:40, so we're on great time. For the remainder of the day, I'm going to work on some emails, some research, some reading, stuff like that. Hit the gym at some point, and then pretty much rinse and repeat day after day in. It can vary. Some days are more busy than others. Some days are slow. But today, I got a lot of the work done in the morning, as you guys can see from earlier. Yeah, let's just keep working away, man. It's kind of cool having your own schedule, making your own time and stuff. I hope you guys enjoy my little morning journey. The rest of the day, I don't want to bore you guys with what's going on my computer stuff. Until next time, thank you so much. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, comment, any questions, anything you'd like me to go over, anything like that, just please let me know, man. I'm trying to get some more content there for YouTube. But until next time, see you guys.